It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
You can feel run, I try to escape out the hospital. Police after me. You have to run to my life.
Say what?
I try to escape from police. Who already not sitting in cars. And my slippers pop out to come back. Wait. And my slippers pop out. Right now it's a phone call I man want right now, you know. Go call my mother. Now I will explain this story to me of corona. I will left the water here, so I'm wash off my foot now, man. Oh my God. Kill your star. Fuck up, man. How that come? How bang that come?
Nope.
Go link him on for a call right now. He want to see what I go on. They drop the job. Maybe you could leave us a call right now. Call my mother. So banger.
Yeah, do chop.
Yeah, no bad charge.
Man, shut up.
Yeah,
do.
Yeah, man, you know, so I call one day, you know. The man want to call the mother.
Oh, dear boy, I'll be on a lockdown.
You say, over hospital, me give the door. You know, that's a boy, them a hotel, man. Them details, you know. And then they must say, come back positive. Right now, just explain from the hospital.
What is the money at
I
all?
told you to run me down.
Brother,
Yes,
that's
test positive.
what kind of positive test, brother? Again?
You didn't carry on a test. And they say test results more positive.